FPV flying is one of the most difficult forms of drone flying, and yet one of the most beautiful. It's like driving a manual car versus an automatic car. Pilot uses acro mode, where drone reacts to every stick movement controlled by the pilot. This allows drone to fly unrestricted, turns and flip in high speed where a normal drone can't. But once mastered, FPV pilots are often the best drone pilots.
The core aspect of our training is the use of knowledge, technology, and human touch. We use simulators to let our students understand the fundamental of flight physics and build stick movement memories. And then with the aid of a specialized training drone, we provide one-to-one instructional training to guide our students' ability to flight proficiency. This helps to train our students to handle real-life flight challenges.
The DeliverBot team uses a specialized training drone called DBUVS, with a drone that is intelligent to make emergency decisions and allows instructors to have full access when needed, helps prevent accidents, and learning how to fly high-speed drones safer. This helps our students to acquire the skill in a safe environment, making learning better and faster without the need to crash their own drone dangerously.